Good morning, student. The second topic, sexual reproduction in higher organism from chapter 1. First we know about sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction and what is the meaning of sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is the formation of gametes are different types like that male and female and fusion of both gamete to formations of zygote. Zygote is a diploid cell and all sexually reproducing life of the organism begin with zygote. Sexual reproduction involves formation and fusion of male and female gamete either on opposite as well as similar individuals of opposite sex like male and female. Results to produce offspring that are not identical. Offsprings not identical genetically different from to the parent or amongst themselves. Sexual reproduction is an elaborated, complex, and slow process. It involves meiosis, cell division, all organisms pass through three stages or phases. First, juvenile phase. All living organisms go through the stage of growth and maturity in their life before they can reproduce sexually. In animal is known as juvenile phase and in plant is called vegetative phase. Second is reproductive phase. It is the phase of life cycle where the growth of an organism slows down but get and develops potentially to reproduce. Third is senescent phase known as old phase. It is the period of an organism grows old and loses its ability to reproduce. In plants and animals, the transitions between these three phases regulated by the hormones. Interaction between hormones and certain environmental factors regulate the reproductive process and behavioral expression. In higher plant, organism develops and show their flowering phenomena. They once flower in their life and known as monocarpus. For example, in bamboo plant, flowers only once in their lifetime After 50 to 100 years, they produce a large number of fruits and die. Second example, in Astrobilanthus plant, plants flower once in after 12 years. Sexuality in higher plants and animal. Plants and animal earthworm having both male and female gametes or reproductive structures inside an organism is known as hermaphrodite. Bisexual, homophilic or monoecious. In some plant, and animal, male and female reproductive structures not present or present in an individual independently is known as unisexual and dioecious. After discussion, give you some home assignment and solve the questions. Write differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. Reduction. Give an examples of various type of asexual reproduction with example. Write define the following. Binary fission, multiple fission, budding, grafting, micro propagation, tissue culture, layering, regeneration. Thank you.